I don't want to piccolo more.
Welcome to another Women and Your series, which is the Tobo Sigwe Ezi Kolomuo. Today I want to discuss about the new phase of Odinana. Part 2, Education. We're in a globalized and digital world. If Odinani intends to regain her lost relevance, then the precepts of formal education has to be involved. We cannot be talking about restoring Odinana, talking about church and all that. When, let's say, like the oldest church, Catholic Church, their priests are well trained. They are well grounded in philosophy. They are well grounded in the history of the world, in the history of theology. They might even know your own Odinana more than you, its history. And you are talking about Odinana Renaissance without following the precepts of education. You are joking. Walk. How many practicing Libyas and Isim Moors are educated up to the university level in Anibo? How many practicing Libyas and Isim Moors are educated up to the university level? How many of them understands the importance of education? How many Igbo Libyas are in tune with the geopolitical dynamics of the world? How many Igbo Libyas understand the limitation of metaphysics vis-a-vis the importance of modern science? You see, the new phase of Odinana must be repackaged to fit into the needs and times of the modern world. And I ask, how can this be done without education, without the knowledge of science? Most people mistake education for going to university to acquire certificate or going to school to acquire certificate. That's not education. You can actually go to school, but did the school go through you? Every meaningful education, this is my yardstick for years, every meaningful education must achieve these three things. Teach you how to mind your own business, how to live a quiet life, and how to earn your own living. That's a rounded education. It must teach you how to mind your own business, how to live a quiet life, and how to earn your own living. So I believe these are the byproducts of a meaningful education. The new phase of Odinana must have this byproduct of education and then use the spiritual energy at its disposal to change the social and cultural landscape of Alibo into a new Africa, a new globalized Africa, thereby making us a people rooted in the ways of our own people, yet in tune with the modern demands of the world. A people rooted in the ways of their people, yet in tune with the modern demands of the world. This means that the new phase of Odinana should be able to do what? 1. Generate electricity for Alibo. Stop telling us that our ancient ancestors did this one. But they are not here. We are the ones that are living here. They travel with the speed of light. How Bulikili? Yes. Hamelunde? Yes. Can you now use that knowledge of metaphysics and combine it with the knowledge of science, physical science, physics, to generate electricity for Alibo? That is what we are talking of. This is the new phase of Odinana. People, Igbos, who can build skyscrapers and not seeing it as rocket science. I repeat, Igbos, Igbos, China, America, they don't believe in all these jargons you are talking about Odinana. I'm talking about Odinana. That there is power in it. I do not dispute that. I'm saying, can you use that power to build skyscrapers with the knowledge of modern science? Can you use that your knowledge of Odinana, that metaphysical knowledge in Odinana, to build industries that will provide jobs, solve the flooding problem, solve the current agricultural needs in Alibo, create new ways that we can feed ourselves as a people, provide modern healthcare through quality drugs that can be exported? Today in Alibu, if you go to university or Megono, you start going to Lagos, to Abuja, to Port Harcourt. No. Odinani are powerful. I do not dispute that again. All I'm saying is, can you use that power in Odinani and add it to the power of modern education? Because as Odinani say, it's quite powerful. But modern education say it's quite powerful. Can you now marry the two and use it to develop your home, your homeland? That is my argument. That is the new phase of Odinani that I'm advocating for. Creating a system of modern administration that protects our values and belief system. I, for one, believe that the new phase of Odinani should be a window into a new Africa. Thank you.
If you love the video you will just watch, please like and subscribe, and also share the video. Please like, subscribe, and share this video if you love it. Thank you. I don't want to be